Hey guys, Sam here from Furious. Super cool update if you guys are using the HubSpot integration with your CRM. So obviously HubSpot announced the release of ChatSpot, which is its artificial intelligence part of the product, which is slowly in beta. If you have got access to this beta, what you will now notice is when you go to compose an email, what you can actually do is make your job even more seamless. So we could actually send a email to, for example, Hugh Roberts. And instead of me taking the time to ultimately write out a long email when I could be getting on with other responsibilities, what I can actually do is have HubSpot write an email for me. So if I select this is HubSpot's first foray into using basically OpenAI. What we can actually do is select the type of email we want to do. So for example, I want to introduce myself to Hugh, right? I want to say that I'm selling HubSpot enablement services. We're selling to Hugh Roberts, head of sales. We can then put, for example, Hugh is underutilizing HubSpot and my services can help him spend less time tailoring product and more time selling his services whilst enjoying his beloved Manchester United football team. What I can then do is say what I want to do. So I could put something like a witty kind of tone. If I want it to stand out from the rest, I can do optimistic, formal. What I can actually do is press generate, right? And then HubSpot starts to do something really cool. So it will take a few moments whilst it digests all the information that I've prepared. And it will then put together a bit of an intro sequence. So it'll introduce myself, it'll make everything dynamic, underutilizing the HubSpot platform, so it can save time and energy you can better spend on selling your services. That way you'll have more time to be able to enjoy the Manchester United football team you love so much. My services include list of services and helping you get the most out of HubSpot. I can then select that. And even if I weren't too happy, I could just generate another one, right? So I can actually continue with this kind of open artificial intelligence at OpenAI, and I could actually change it, right? So instead of having this one here, it's now giving me another one. I can select which one I want, press insert. It's then rolled out the entire email for me. I can then just take out the text, like so, put it in. So I can then just paste it and then just play with the formatting, right? If you were to send this email, you can log and you can track it. You can then play with the placeholders and make sure that's all filled in. But you could then send that email and then save it as a template. So you've even saved even more time. So if we were to send this email, so if we were to send this just to myself, I can then send it. This email's now come through to my inbox using that OpenAI artificial intelligence to generate it. I can then just save it as a template. So I can actually use AI to do some of my reach out and then save those as future templates that I may like and curate for my team to use. So it speeds up the time to value with your prospects, getting your foot in the door, selling your services, asking around people's pain points, and also speeds up your content generation for sales enablement. So yeah, really super cool update from HubSpot. Let me know what you guys think of ChatSpot and how you guys are utilizing it in your organizations. And I hope to speak with you all soon. Take care.